Alright, so when you multiply like bases, what do you do to the exponents? You add them. Fantastic. Take a point. Now, we're going to start first by multiplying a monomial times a monomial. So how many terms is a monomial?
One term times another term.
Fantastic. Take a point. Alright, so when you multiply like bases, what do you do to the exponents? You add them. So when we multiply these, what are we going to do to them? Add them. So it's going to be a to the m plus n. Does everybody see how I did that?
Yes.
Look at that
I was
wizardry.
thinking it was going to be like a to the m, then a to the n. That's how it's supposed to equal.
No, Avery.
But
I thought it was just going to be 8
Okay.
Salisbury.
Yeah, we did.
I wish I would have been sorted into the same house. Alright, so over here, are we going to multiply the 4 and 6 or add the 4 and 6? Yay! What's 4 plus 6? Take a point, everybody. Good job. We can. Now, how do we say that? Do we say x10 or x to the 10th power? Fantastic. Take a point. Like candy.
That's awesome.
Like I'm a scary old man in a van.
Don't play.
Usually,
Did you say down by the river?
yes. It's usually like the middle.
Alright. So, I'm sorry.
Okay, sir.
Live in a van down by the river. Alright, so example 1. Ma'am, what'd you say? Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply these. Now, are we going to multiply that 4 and 6 together, or are we going to add them?
Yeah,
You multiply them. Why do we multiply them?
it's a code.
You multiply coefficients together.
Yeah.
Yes. What's 4
What's a
times?
like base?
4 times 6.
24.
R to the 8 and S to the 10.
Look at you go, Marshall. Take a point for Gryffindor.
Wow.
They've already done this.
Just subtract a point from that listening.
I think tomorrow we're gonna total up how many questions y'all ask me in a class period, and how. Yeah, you're gonna. I'm gonna lose track probably. I'm gonna take off points for if we go over like 10.
Wait, just for that group
What
or
if
for
they're asking
everybody?
about
It has to be a meaningful question.
Okay.
Not Asbury, can I tell you something about my dog down the street?
Okay,
No.
so
All right, so.
okay, y'all can fight me.
Who wants to try number 2? How about everybody try example 2? Whoa. Whoa. I'm glad we're so excited. But everybody try example 2 without me, and then we'll see if you got it right.
I'm done.
Hush. I know, life is tough. Sorry out there for a pimp.
Yes, it is.
I think I got it.
Can I share my answer?
All right, Christine, share your answer. Have confidence in yourself, baby. Fantastic. Take a point for your team, Christine. Now, who got it right?
Kalia.
Did everybody at the table get it right?
Yes.
If everybody at the table got it right, take a point.
Plus 6.
So,
Because she gave up. Avery, how many you got? Yeah, me.
I had a crazy weekend.
Me too.
I said week 2.
Is it Monday, Wednesday?
And Friday.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
I'm gonna make a list. 0 3. I guess I'm.
Okay.
It's gonna say Monday through Friday, and it's gonna say go over. And then
What is Avery, you call it?
I can.
What's on the news? Is it?
There is a
No, you don't. You gonna try to kill the boy that tried to get it.
It's recording now. All right, so when you multiply like bases, what do you do to the exponents?
Add them.
What do you do to the coefficients?
You multiply.
kill him.
All right, so
Kill him with an industry.
It's recording now. Come on.
Add the exponents. Multiply the coefficients.
It's gonna get harder. Yes.
Not really.
Is it the same as exponents rule?
Yes. So we've done a monomial times a monomial. How do we feel so far?
Good.
Okay.
All right. Polynomial.
Polynomial.
Monomial.
Monomial.
Monomial times polynomial. Can I try to do that?
Wait, let's talk about it. All right, are we ready? Yes. That's a bit crazy.
Yeah.
All right, so now, how do we get rid of parentheses? Christine? Distribute, take a point. If you said distribute, take a point.
Set it in my head.
Now, when you multiply a monomial times a polynomial, you have to distribute, and you have to distribute to everything. Our first one is a monomial times a binomial, because those are two. That means our answer is going to end with a binomial. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
So, now, we're going to do 3m times 5m squared. So what's 3 times 5?
15.
M times m squared.
2.
M to third.
M cubed.
Oh.
Cubed, guys, cubed. 3m times 2m.
6.
6m
Squared.
squared. Fantastic.
Wait, why?
Because 1 plus 1 is,
2.
Oh.
and this has an invisible 1, and this has an invisible 1. Now, everybody pause. Stop screaming. We're going to walk through it again. Now, we did 3m times 5m squared. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then we did 3 times 2 and we got 6. 1 plus 1 gave us 2. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Are we together so far?
Yes.
Everybody.
Okay. Do y'all want to try example 4 without me, or do you want to do one without together?
Without you.
We're gonna
Okay.
have to swim one day.
Today is the day. I'm pushing you into the deep end. Yes.
What if it was like for the next one? Well, for anyone. Like, okay, so 4 it was like 3m and then the parentheses 5m squared plus like 2f. Like,
Alright.
MF.
That's the point to figure out how to do 17 times a
Mm,
oh, can I
Oh, wait.
try
Are we
check
checking?
that exponent.
It's two.
No.
Hey,
Ben got it. Come on, high five. High five.
Ow. Why did you have to hit me so hard?
wait.
Well, I'm used to you doing four stuff. I thought we were going to hit in a minute.
Now I know how y'all feel. All right, Micah, can you answer?
I got 7g to the third, cubed,
Okay.
Oh.
plus 35g minus 21.
No, squared.
Oh, look, he got it wrong.
Dang it.
But Van got it right, so Van's team gets a point. Who else got it right? Did the whole table get it right?
Yes.
Give your team a point if your whole table got it right. That's terrible. Now, why is it a squared?
She said
Yes.
he just said
Oh, okay.
That's unfortunate.
Well, you know, it's hard out there. All right, are we ready for example 5? Now, do we do this any different just because we have an A and a B?
no.
No, we do not. We still do the same thing. So it's negative 5 times 3, which is
Negative 15. Oh, I thought we did this part.
A squared times A to the 4th is, and B times B cubed.
B to the 4th power.
Okay, negative 5 times 6. A squared times A squared.
A to the 4th.
And B to the,
4th. You know, it's hard out. Have you heard 21 version?
alright, so I would like you to please do example 6 without me.
Hard lights out there when people. You do.
Yep.
Wait, there's a 1 in front of the Y, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You said no?
Yes.
You were S.
Can you try my
Go talk to your group.
You stiff? No, I'm done.
Talk to your group.
I just want to get a point.
I'm not looking. Man, I don't like it.
I think I got it.
Andrew, what is wrong with you?
I want to get points.
We got it all right. We got it all right.
We got it all right, Andrew, can you tell me what the answer to this one is?
Negative 5y to the fifth
Yes.
minus 30y to the fourth minus 40.
Nope.
No, plus 40.
Crap.
Plus 40y cubed. Who got it right?
Take a point.
Take a point.
What is our
Yes, baby.
slipping?
5 times negative 1 is negative 5. I'm sorry, negative 5 times 1 is negative 5.
Let's go.
We're multiplying.
Okay, sorry.
Asbury, we're at 10.
Yeah, you don't want to high five me.
You psychopath. Alright, are we ready? Turn your paper. We're not doing binomial times binomial today because that's a special foldable that we're going to do tomorrow. And it's foil and it's super fun, so we're going to do that tomorrow. I want to have a whole day for foil. So we're going to practice these some more. So turn your paper over. I like how excited you are. And if we get all of them done, you have no homework.
And I'll be excited right now.
You are.
I'm genius.
Isn't it exciting though when it clicks?
I made an 80 on the last test. I made a kill this.
You have. Since you stopped being a butt face.
Stop talking about that right now.
Alright. So, are we ready? We're going to start baby and then move to more difficult problems.
That's baby.
Yes? I only got one letter in there. What y'all talking about?
Oh, you so close.
Bunch of whiny butts.
Your hand is
Your face is in the way.
I mean, it's not up there.
You don't know.
Okay. Y'all see my face?
What if I... Alright, Blair, it's recording.
Do you have to write it out or do we?
Yes, you have to write it because if you don't write it, how are you going to know what the answer is and if you're correct? So write it down. Plus, when it comes to notebook check, what if I just write that problem and you don't know what it is?
Can factor it out.
No. We're not there yet.
Wait, we're doing that?
We are factoring soon. It's a whole unit on being ninjas.
Alright, I'm done with A.
Man, guess who cares?
I was talking to my group.
Okay, well,
Okay.
down.
Okay. Alright.
Tell her that hater's going to hate. She's just mad because she's not as quick as you. Tell her.
What she said.
I don't like A.
Oh my goodness.
That's all that
problem at a time.
Okay.
Like, get people with it.
6G.
Problem. I'm not good.
75,453.2.
Sir.
We're gonna be smart by the end of it.
We are going to be smart by the end of this. Or really, really, really exhausted.
I think really, really, really.
I think I won't have a hand by the time I get it.
Okay.
Wait, you scurvy?
Now when I see you winning.
Remember when you told me earlier that you didn't try to sing? And you were making fun of my singing? You were making fun of my singing?
My viewers like.
You were making fun of
It's
me?
not really singing, okay?
You don't know.
It's not.
You don't know.
I do know.
You know nothing.
I know you can't sing, so.
I know your face can't sing.
My face.
Is everybody done with A? I want to do one more. I want to do a real good one.
Wait. I'm on.
Copying them down.
Like,
No, I mean like done copying A down, is what I mean.
Yeah.
I'm just going to move it up.
I'm done with.
Is anyone not done copying A down?
Dang. Singing so
I hate when you do that too.
That already is stuck in my head since it's.
Yeah, let's attempt this one and do, but it works.
Well, I got it in there, so.
Oh my gosh, stop.
You would sing it too.
It's like a competition on who can be more annoying.
I'm more annoying.
Yeah, you are. You can say that one.
I think it's kind of a tie.
You're supposed to yell it back, and then we're supposed to keep going.
I will throw this pencil.
And she was throwing pin.
And I will throw a
That's
fit.
very well done, and just, I think you'd be about it.
Okay, Miss Ashley.
Wait, is that X to the Z?
They don't want to see it.
Squared,
No, there's a line through it.
squared, 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 squared. That's x times z.
That's what I'm talking about.
There are times I just got excited. I'm sorry for not being perfect.
Is that okay?
It's okay, we accept your prayers.
I'm perfect.
Oh,
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh at that.
Mm.
they don't want to see it.
I'm about to tell
Oh
you.
my gosh.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Yay. It's getting kind of long.
Okay, now on C, D, and E, you need to distribute and then combine like terms. We can do it. I have all the faith.
I don't know about that last one.
Thanks for now.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
Now it's recorded.
Okay, sir.
Because, you know, we're trying to...
It's alive.
Please let me.
Alright, so that's what I got for D. So 8 into the 4th p squared plus 12. I think that should be a minus. That should be a minus, shouldn't it? No, it'll be a plus because you combine those. Okay, so this becomes negative 12 n squared p squared. This becomes 24 n squared p squared, so you combine those and get 12 n squared p squared. And then 20 n squared, yep, minus 8 n p cubed plus 12 p squared.
Can you show problem E? Because I really
Wait,
didn't.
Not everybody
can you
said.
do the four
Oh, show the
times
problem.
You get this. Can I do it like that? Like, get it like this and then combine it?
Yes. What, Kalia?
Why did, well, okay.
Okay.
I was gonna ask you why you
I'll
didn't
show
do
you.
4 times 6, but it's not like,
I need to work it.
right? That's why you didn't do it?
Hey,
What you talking about?
On D, you know, it says.
I did 4 times 6 and got 24, and then I combined that with this 12 n squared p squared and got positive 12 n squared p squared. So you'll end up right here. You'll have negative 12 n squared p squared, and then that'll be plus 24 n squared p squared. You combine those and get positive 12 n squared p squared.
Okay.
Those are a little more complicated because there's a whole lot of... Are we done with E or do we need another minute?
Now I need another one.
Okay, no worries.
Wait, is that not? Is it supposed to be one?
To D?
Oh, because you, okay, now.
That's what I got for E.
You probably hear me scream from movie. From Mouse Movie.
She did combine. Because she's a ninja.
They don't want to.
No! Man. Every time you say it, I'm taking off a point. Alright, no homework tonight.